sometimes I take like a little pump sprayer, just to get the worst off. It's been raining, and that's generally I clean it the night before. And then it's generally just a wipe down and a QD.
QD.
Okay.
What's a QD?
Quick detailer.
Oh, good. You learn something new every day, don't you?
I thought you'd know that. Like, what are you asking me?
No, I'm very.
That wasn't a trick
I'm very new. I'm very new.
So what I would suggest doing is using the waterless body cleaner, and then we also have the waterless wheel and tyre. Now the cool thing about this one is that you spray it on the wheel and tyre, and you can clean the wheel, but also just leave the tyre on its own. It will dress the tyre. So it's easy done, because what you don't want to do is turn up to a car show with a boot full of products. All you need is 3-4 products that are right for the occasion. So when it comes to bodywork, if you've cleaned the car, which most likely you have before going to a car show, this is great for cleaning a dirty, clean car. So a car that's been cleaned, driven to a car show, then needs to spruce up afterwards. Now the best use of it is with 2 towels. So we've got yellow and a black one there. Like I say, we don't want to go straight in with a QD, we want to remove those kind of dirt and grime. Now this will encapsulate that, lubricate the surface and lift it away safer. So you want to get it nice and wet on the surface. Then with your first towel, get it nice and folded, and then just do nice clean lines, and as you're going down the panel, roll the towel, that way it spreads out the kind of dirt and grime, so you're not just having a thick line pushing on the paintwork. So just nice clean straight line. And what I've done, I've folded the towel, so when I've done a section, I can unfold it and I've got a brand new microfiber.
Nice fresh section,
and then with your second towel, buff in the opposite direction. That way you'll never get white lines.
You sort of say waterless and you're always like, oof.
It's a big trust factor. People are always skeptical about those kind of things until they use it. This is definitely one of our most popular products at a car show, because like you said, there's never access to water no matter where you go. So this is the safest way of cleaning it without putting any swirls or scratches in. Make sure you've got clean towels and use plenty of product. It's good doing nice and safe. So what we're talking about today is we have...
I mean, we should say welcome back to Turn It Back. It's just
hey,
where's the routine? Where's the structure?
Welcome back to another day in the bay. We have Dom in today with his... Did you say Opal Kadett or Vauxhall Kadett?
Opal Kadett.
Opal Kadett.
Is there a law that says that you can't say Vauxhall Kadett?
Yeah, it's a genuine Opal's left-hand drive.
Well, there you go. Hey. My job.
So we've got this wicked, crazy custom car in the bay today. Recently bagged, only a few months ago. So obviously, fresh new start for the show season. We thought we'd get him in the bay and show him how to safely, because it goes to a lot of show cars and events that don't have access to water. Let's talk about what's the minimal amount of product to use when you're at a car show and what's the right product to use. So we're going to be talking about the waterless system, which is the body cleaner and the wheel and tyre cleaner. Also, we're going to be talking about giving it that extra bit of boost of gloss and protection at a car show. So we're going to be using the gold class QUIK WAX. Now we're going to be using a QUIK WAX because it's already got a fair bit of protection on there. He looks after it on a regular basis. But we want to boost gloss and protection without having to get, a proper paste wax out or a liquid wax. We want to give it a quick boost of protection. We're going to talk about why you use a QUIK WAX.
Why and when?
Why and when and how and for what do we ask? So if you want more content like this, make sure you like, share and subscribe. Tag that little bell so you get a notification every time a new video comes up.
And let's crack on with this video.
What you want to do, like I say, it kind of works in the same principle as this stuff. It's the safest way of cleaning them. It's like a heavy duty detailer. So you want to get it on the tyre as well as the wheel, get it nice and spread like that. Then get yourself a microfiber towel, and obviously without sounding patronising, you know how to clean a wheel. Just get it nice on there. And what can happen is, if that's too glossy, because not everyone likes really glossy tyres, get a second towel and just give it a slight wipe down. Now give it a satin sheen rather than a gloss, because I like a sheen rather than a shine. And again, this is the it's the safest way of doing it without you watering your pump. Because if you just use a detailer alone, you can run the risk of scratching and stuff like that.
Bits of grit on it,
exactly that.
Yes, that's the thing. Obviously, I find myself before the next show, then just doing it a quick
detail.
a quick polish and that to actually get it half decent again.
So, like I say, just get the second towel, give it a nice right down. Like I say, it just makes it look 10 times smarter.
For the record.
So a little recap while Dom is working on the wheels and tyres using our Waterless Wheel and Tyre cleaner. We're going to recap what we've done so far. So we've cleaned the car using 2 towels, a cleaner towel and a buffing towel, and using our Waterless Wash and Wax Anywhere. Now this is much safer for cleaning your car at a show and event or during a midweek clean on the driveway if someone's coming around or anything like that. But the biggest thing is it comes with a common sense tag that if your car is really dirty and muddy, then it needs a proper clean. But if you've cleaned it and driven it somewhere, or it's just light dirt and grime on there, this is perfectly safe because it lubricates all that contaminant from the paintwork and lifts it off safely. Common question we get is what's the difference between detailers and quick waxes?
Yep.
So a detailer, as we mentioned earlier, is like a finishing product, but also a fine kind of maintenance product, you know, for removing light dust and fingerprints.
Yep.
Whereas quick wax is a boost for your existing protection. So it's not a cleaning product, it's like an advanced detailer. But you're going to use it when the vehicle's nice and clean,
yep,
and you just want to boost that wax protection. You can also use it as a drying aid as well. So when you're washing the car, rinse it off with water, spray the whole car with the quick wax while it's still wet, and then dry it, and that will evenly spread the wax over the vehicle. But if you're at a car show and you want to give it some extra boost and gloss, you can use it on its own like this. So the car's already been cleaned, we've used the Wash and Wax Anywhere.
Yep.
Obviously you've already had wax on the car, so you want to bond to it. So it's not a quick get out clause for waxing, it's more of a, like I say, yeah, it's an additional product. So just a light mist over the car. Like I say, there's no cure time or buffing, you just wipe it straight off. So get a finishing towel, fresh towel, nice and flat on the surface, and then just give it a nice spread like that. Flip the towel. Like that. You see it just gives it a super wet look.
Yep, that's what everyone wants at a show.
Exactly that, and it's going to help you maintain it at a car show way easier. So the reason we're using the Gold Cast Canuba Quick Wax is because this car's a solid red, so we want to give it a real brightness to the red and give it a real depth of gloss, and Canuba's going to do that if you have a light, non-metallic colour.
Forward. Yeah, there we go. Sort of take that right back. Fix the lead box in, you end up sort of putting it on the paint.
Oh, okay.
Oh, did you fold that in there? Yeah, I'll sort that down in a minute. So you can fold these back, so it's Meccano.
Yeah.
For the record.
Get this one thing clear. Get this one thing. Let's take one thing clear.
For the record.
Get this one thing. Get this one thing
That was a cool day in the bay. So Dom came down just to learn how to look after his car at a car show. So we used the waterless system on the bodywork and the wheels and tyres, but also showed him how to use a quick wax to boost gloss and give it some extra protection. If you like this content, if you want to see more detailing content or car culture content, make sure you like, share and subscribe. Hit the little notification bell to get notified when the next video is up.